What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff, and today we are going to take a look at the Brinks door knobs. So, as you can see, I've obviously got it installed here. I installed this about a week ago, okay, and it's for about the first few days it was working fine as advertised, as you would assume it to be. But now what's happened is this is jammed, right? So it's not, as you can see, it's not moving. It, like I said, it used to. So, you know, obviously I've tried all types of different things. I've tried to unlock and lock, and it's just kind of jammed. I'm just letting you guys know that you get what you pay for really with this Brinks product from Walmart. I've actually ordered a new knob on Amazon that's going to be a little bit higher quality than this Brinks product. But like I said, it worked for a couple days, now it doesn't. So as you can see, I've got extra here that I don't even know what to do with, and I can't really return it, although I should. So maybe don't consider this one. I don't recommend it.